Alright guys, so I received this package I would say a week ago, but I do not have the time to do the unboxing for this package. So this is something that I wanted to buy for quite some time, but I've been been considering looking at the price and the usage, whether am I using it or not. And finally during the 11/11, I finally decided to make the purchase, alright, because there's some good deals on Lazada. So a week later, which is today, let's do some unboxing of this. Alright, this is actually very good. This is a Leatherman Wave. Alright, so let's do the honor. Alright, so this thing is well packed. Alright, we have this bubble wrap. Alright, I love to do all this pinching, this bubble wrap when I was young. Alright. So I finally decided to buy this Nisi V6. Alright, this is a new edition. Alright, so it comes with the 10-stop ND filter and a graduated filter as well. And of course it comes with the holder, the kit holder. Alright, let's see. So it says, alright, one Nisi V6 holder includes the 67, 72 and 77. Alright, so it includes one Nisi V6 holder, which includes 67mm, 72 and 77mm adapter rings, plus 82mm main adapter, plus 86mm CPL. Alright, so which you have it here. These are all the adapter rings, the main adapter, the CPL, and of course the holder itself. Alright, so one Nisi optical glass multi-coated medium 0.93 stop graduated ND filter, which is this one. One Nisi optical glass 100x100mm nano multi-coated ND3, which is a 10 stop filter, which is this. Alright, so one V6 lens cap and a clever cleaner. I'm guessing it is this one, and of course cleaning cloth and air blower. Alright, so these are there are actually a lot of variants to these Nisi filters, but the one that I wanted was this, right? Just the GND filter and the 10 stop filter. Of course there are more, right? There are more, and we can upgrade, alright, as we go along this photography journey. Alright, so this is it. Let's do the unboxing. Alright, oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, so what do we have here? Alright, so this is the box. Okay, so there's a box inside. Alright, this is the blower. Oh, this is the ND table. Alright, okay, and yep, this is the clever cleaner. Alright, I need to find out how to use this. And of course, this is the cover, and of course, alright, this is the main filter itself. Alright, so I guess that's it. Of course, there's some manuals, a guide to using filters to their maximum potential. Okay, so no wonder this thing is rather expensive, you know, looking at the package itself. Alright, so let's see what's inside here. Okay. I like the smell of new things. Okay, so what do we have here? Alright, this is the 10-stop filter. Okay, which is here, and then the second one would be this is the graduated filter. If you can see, this is the white color, this is the darker part. Okay, and this is the CPL filter. Okay, this is the CPL filter. Okay, so this is the adapter ring. Alright, so there's 77 and 72 and 67. So 3 of them here. And of course the holder itself. Alright, the holder itself. So this is actually pretty solid here, this thing right here. Okay, so let's see what is inside. Okay, so I guess that is all inside this this filter pouch. It's actually quite solid, this thing, you know, it's quite hard. I wouldn't say it's waterproof. I would say it's water resistant, right? A bit of water smearing is okay, right? Just make sure it's properly covered. Okay, and here, okay, you can actually, you know, put it on your bag, you know, just slide your bag in. Okay, so pretty good bag actually, pretty good. Alright, so basically these are all the items. I'm just gonna go through one by one in my next video. Alright, so okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye.